Mush here. So, to help celebrate St. Patrick's Day, I thought it would be a good idea to make a leprechaun out of clay. So let's get to it. So the first step number one, is I'm going to take some orange clay and roll a ball up. Because this is going to be his shirt underneath his jacket. Alright? Then my next step is I'm going to take some green and I'm going to wrap it around the orange ball. And look, like, it's starting to get thin. If it starts to get thin, you got to stop pinching. And you're going to wrap it around like this. Okay? And then you don't have to do this, but you could pinch out his coattails for his suit like this. Should kind of look like a bunny. Okay? And then just add more green if you need it. Like this one that I have already done to show you what it could look like when it's all finished. Alright? Now, next step. We're going to make his legs. Okay? So, I'm going to take the clay and I'm going to make his legs like this. Okay? Just like this. And I'm making sure they're thick enough so he can stand up. He's a little guy, so he doesn't need a lot. Okay? And then I'm going to stick this on the bottom like this. Just like this. Smooth everything out. Okay? Alright, I want to make it look like the jacket is over top, so I might put a little clay on top like this and just blend it in like that. Okay, same thing over here. Just blend it in. Okay? Next, what I'm going to do is step 3. Okay? I'm going to make his shoes. I'm going to give him little black shoes with belt buckles on them. Okay? So I'm going to take a little bit of clay, roll them into like little ovals like this. Okay? And then I'm going to take some yellow clay and just roll a coil out and then make like a little yellow square. It helps to use the table or wherever you're working to pinch it out and make it a little square. Okay? So I'm going to put that on his shoe and then I'm going to make another one. Okay? Now, I've never actually ever caught a leprechaun. Maybe you'll be lucky this year. Remember, they like shiny things like pennies and gold and silver. Okay, so you got to put something like that in your traps if you want to catch a leprechaun. Okay, so there's his shoes. I'm going to stick his shoes on his feet, or his legs, I should say, excuse me. Okay, just like this. Okay, and then can he stand up? Almost. I think I got to move this one back just a little bit. There we go. Yep, he can stand up. Okay, next, I'm going to take some clay, some green clay, roll it out for his arms, just like this. And I'm going to take some clay from here, because I don't need it anymore. Okay, that was just my first example. Okay, and I'm going to roll out the coils for his arms. You know what, this is a little too thick. I think I was right the first time. Okay, roll out coils, stick it on. Okay, just like this. Pretty simple. And then there you go. And then make sure you smooth it out. Okay. Now I'm gonna pose him like he's running. Okay. So I'm gonna put his other arm back like this, because you gotta try and catch the leprechaun. They're fast, you know. So, and then I'm gonna pose his legs later. Okay, to show that he's running. Okay. Okay, next, we're going to talk about his hands. So I'm going to take a little bit of the skin tone. And all you need to do to make that is take a little bit of orange and a little bit of white. I'm just going to do little circles for his hands. If you want to add details like fingers and things like that, use a clay tool, like a pin tool, to get the what's it called? The details. If that's what you want to do. Okay. So there's his arms. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to make them running. Okay. Okay. I'm going to have one foot like that. Yeah, that's good. I like that. All right. Next, we're going to talk about his head. Okay. Usually leprechauns have a beard, an orange beard. So I'm going to take the little bit I have left for the head. I'm going to roll an orange coil. And I'm going to give him a beard. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to take a little bit of black and I'm going to give him closed eyes, like he's like really laughing. because like he knows you can't catch him. And all I'm doing is making like little frowns for his eyes, like this, just like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna roll this. Okay, just like that. And then I'm gonna give him a little nose, just like this. And then the last thing I need to add is give him a smile, because he knows you're not gonna catch him. All right, and then you can add the head on if you want. I wouldn't just yet. I'm getting ahead of myself. I need to add his ears. So that's just 2 little bumps. Okay, 2 little bumps. And then the last thing we're gonna make is his hat. So I'm gonna take some more of this green clay back because I need it. Thank goodness I didn't pack it on too tight to this orange clay. Okay. And then if you wanna give your leprechaun hair, you can. Okay, I'm not. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the brim of the hat like this. I'm gonna squish out clay and make a pancake like this. Just like this. I'm gonna put it on top. Okay, and then I'm gonna take this and make like a cylinder and then stick it on top like this. Smooth it out like it's one piece. Okay, make sure you don't squish anything in the process, like the ears. Okay, I gotta fix that ear over there. Good. Make sure it doesn't cover his eyes too much. Just like this. Okay. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll out a coil and flatten it. I'm gonna wrap it around his hat, just like this. And then I'm gonna make the little buckle. I'm gonna make a little square out of my little coil here. Okay, make it square, and then stick it on. And then there you go. There's our leprechaun. Hi, can't catch me. All right, so there's my leprechaun. All right, I would love to see your leprechauns. Please take a picture of it and load it up onto our website, mrmushmakes.com, or send us an email that you see on your screen below. And I'll see you next time.